Selling your house shouldn't feel like a gamble, so let's break down if selling to Zillow or another iBuyer is the right move for you. First, what is an iBuyer? iBuyers are companies like Zillow Offers, Opendoor, and OfferPad that use algorithms to make instant cash offers on homes. The big pro. Speed. You can skip staging, showings, and months of uncertainty. Let's weigh the pros and cons. iBuyers offer fast closing, often in just weeks, plus immense convenience. No need to prep for open houses. You also get certainty, knowing the offer upfront, and this is a big one, expect a lower offer than on the open market, typically reflecting repair costs and their profit margin. You'll also pay service fees, and iBuyers aren't available in every market. Now, specifically about Zillow. While Zillow Offers is no longer purchasing homes, it's essential to understand what they offered. Typically, their offers, like other iBuyers, factored in estimated repair costs and a service fee, aiming for a quick, hassle-free transaction, but at a price. So, who benefits most? iBuyers are great if you need to relocate quickly, avoid the stress of traditional selling, or have a property that might need significant repairs. However, if maximizing your profit is your priority and you are willing to put in the time and effort, listing with a traditional real estate agent is still likely your best bet. Do your research, get offers from multiple iBuyers, compare them to a market analysis from a local agent, and carefully read the fine print before making a decision. Understanding your options empowers you to sell smart. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips.